I've been trying to clean up around the property, taking care of all the fallen trees and cutting down some old grass. And I'm down here at the pond where a tree has fallen in and thought I would take care of it with the chainsaw. So let's get started. Now it's hard to see, but my property line cuts across through there, comes down, cuts across the pond, and goes to that flag right there. So this tree is mine, but just barely. So I thought I would cut right in through here. Chainsaw needs to be tightened. I have a feeling this is going to be a job for that wench that I just used on Adventure 17. Making progress. So yesterday I ran out of light, but I'm back today. I have attached my steel rope to this tree down here and come back up here, and I've got my pulley system here attached to this little locust tree, which I hope is strong enough to support this. So I'm going to ratchet here and try to get that piece that I've cut out of the water. No, not yet. Have to cut a little bit more with the chainsaw. So I just cut the limb down there, so it's loose. I'm gonna put some tension on this cable and see if I can get that part to start coming out of the water. It's kind of a two-person job here, but we'll make do. Well, I cinched it up about 6 inches, but I'm concerned about the integrity of this tree. It's kind of cutting into it here. So I'm going to try and move up to this section of the tree here and use it as the anchor. Alright, I went ahead and attached the pulley system to this part of the tree. There's some knots here that kind of helped it stay on. And I was able to move that piece a couple of feet actually. But the problem is, this part of the tree is lighter than the part in the water, so it's actually pulling the stump out up here. So my new thought is keep this attachment down here, but go over there to that tree and pull from the other side of the pond. So, let's try that. Alright, here's the new setup. Have the cable attached here at the same spot. But this time, it goes off over there and awkwardly hangs into the water and attaches to that little tree over there. So, I believe this is going to work because tightening just a little bit has already brought it up some. So let's try it. It's in there pretty good. 6,000 cranks later, it is moving along pretty easy now. Changing the angle made all the difference. Alright, last thing I'm going to do
Got the tree still hooked up. Comes along here up the bank to a small locust tree, and we try and pull it out of the water a little bit more. Tell you what, this pulley makes short work of this thing. Well, that took a lot longer than I had expected or anticipated, but it's out. And this tree has been sitting in this water for quite a long time and is waterlogged, so I won't be cutting it up with the chainsaw until it's dried out some. But hope you enjoyed this video. If so, push like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.